Let's introduce our Walkie-Talkie mobile phone, Keepa 8 Ultra.
First, this phone is equipped with 2 antennas.
One short and one long. The short one is for closer range intercom.
The long one can be used for a wider range.
And longer distance communication. Then how do we first use this intercom function? We need to find the intercom icon, which is this one. Then we click on it. After clicking in, it's this page,
which is the default preset channel.
Channel 01. Then you can see all the information,
including a mode,
transmission frequency, and color code, and call type.
The call types are already consistent.
Let's try to make a call now.
Here you can see it.
It's green, which means it's communicating.
Not only these two phones can communicate.
Now it can also, but also with ordinary walkie-talkies.
And professional walkie-talkie, Motorola,
can also be achieved.
Intercom calls with each other.
Now let's take a look at some of its functions.
Some functions of this phone.
For example, now this one, let's take a look at some of its channels. These are some preset channels.
0 to 8 are digital channels.
These are all U-band.
Then 9 to 16 are our analog channels.
And it's the same on this side.
This is a default preset channel. We can also create a new one by ourselves.
Exclusive channel. We click this plus sign
and enter the name of our channel here, for example.
For example, I enter a group 8. Then for this channel mode,
we can choose a digital mode.
Then for this band, we choose the U band, and then it should be noted that our frequency must be
within this range, which is in the range of 400 to 408.
Within this range. Then we try to enter a channel within this range.
For example, we enter 450305.
And it should be noted that the receiving frequency
must be consistent with the transmission frequency. So we enter the same number as above. We can choose the color code by ourselves. We can choose from 1 to 15 by ourselves.
We can choose a 5. And then here, then we have O channel mode. Here, there are 2. One is the direct mode.
One is the real-time communication mode.
We choose the direct transmission.
And we also select the first one here.
Then here is one, which is our contact. Call type. There are 3 types of call types. One is a group call. One is a group call and a full call.
We choose a master call as an example.
Then this call number is a default one. This is it. We choose the default one, and this shows a type of our text message,
which is also a short message type within the system.
Click the check mark here to save. Yes.
Then we can scroll down to the bottom and see here.
Look here.
We have successfully created a
exclusive channel. We can click on it once
and activate
at the same time our mobile phone to communicate
in this dedicated channel.
To do so, we need to create an identical channel here.
We can have different channel names.
Let's say here we choose input is group B.
Except for this name. All other information should be consistent.
So we also need to choose a number here.
Then we need to select the U band, and the transmission frequency should be consistent.
If we don't remember, let's check it.
Okay, here we can see that its channel number is
450-305-0000.
Here's 45305.
Yes.
You can see that it is consistent with it. It is consistent with it.
Then here, the color code we just selected is 5.
This should also be consistent.
And the others remain unchanged.
And it's in direct mode. And then we can see that the others are the same. Then we save it here.
After saving, we need to scroll to the end to see it.
Then activate it. Then we go back to this page. You can see that.
Now the signals of these two phones
are completely consistent, are in vertical mode.
and the frequencies are 450305.
And the color code is 5. Are both master?
Let's try to make a call first.
Okay. Like this. This is an example of to create a dedicated channel
Demonstration, and then we can take a look again.
We can also add contacts here.
For example, we can add a contact here.
If you know his number, you can add contacts here. For example, his the number for band. For example, 2308. For example, this number, after you create it, you can directly contact him. Then we can also add a group here. You can also create a group.
Then you can communicate within the group.
This is the same as a name. For example, okay, 8. Then here is a number,
Such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Then this number is successfully created. Then in the same way, create a new one here. And it's the same group as before.
Then here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then they will be in the same group like this.
Then let's take a look at the text message mode. We can create and send.
To create and send a text message.
Yes. And you can see that he received it immediately.
Then we have some settings here.
Here is to change the number of our own walkie-talkie. For example, I can change my number 2 to 580.
Others can find me by this number and call me.
To make an exclusive call to me, then here we can set our one.
The time for sending calls.
We can set it to 15 seconds.
30 seconds or no limit. It's all up to you.
And here is when we press the call button, sound effect when we can turn it on or turn it off. This is an end sound effect. This function is for when the person I'm calling is busy.
Or in a conversation. I can't make a call. I can't make a call at that time. This is a function of silent calling.
After turning it on, we have a P key here, and we can use it. We can use this P.
We can use it to make a silent call.
Let's try it out. Let's lock it first. Now, the screen is turned off. Then hold it down. Then hold it down. Today's guide to the intercom function ends here.